Here is your forecast for Kankakee and surrounding communities. For tonight, clear. Patchy fog after midnight. Lows in the upper 20s. West winds around 10 miles an hour in the evening, becoming light and variable after midnight. For Friday, mostly sunny in the morning, then becoming partly cloudy. Unseasonably mild. Highs around 50. Light and variable winds early in the morning, becoming southwest 10 to 15 miles an hour in the late morning and afternoon. And for Friday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 20s. Southwest winds around 10 miles an hour early in the evening, becoming light and variable in the late evening and overnight. For Saturday, partly sunny. Highs in the lower 40s. Northwest winds around 10 miles an hour. For Saturday night, partly cloudy in the evening, then clearing. Lows in the mid-20s. North winds around 10 miles an hour. For Sunday, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 30s. For Sunday night, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-20s. For Washington's birthday, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 40s. For Monday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 30s. For Tuesday, mostly cloudy with a 40% chance of light rain. Highs in the mid-40s. Tuesday night and Wednesday, mostly cloudy with a 30% chance of light rain. Lows in the mid-30s. Highs in the upper 40s. And for Wednesday night and Thursday, partly cloudy with a 20% chance of light rain. Lows in the mid-30s. Highs in the mid-40s.